Did you know that 70% of all open job ads never reach the internet? Hi, this is Luisa from Intap, and we connect international talents in Dresden with the local industry. In this video, I will share with you the 5 things to do before you graduate. The first thing is learn and practice German every day. Although the number of companies that have English as a working language is increasing, you still want to know some German. Let's say a B1 level will really help you to understand the colleagues' jokes and just feel comfortable in the working environment. The second thing is, did you know that 70% of all open job ads never reach the internet? So building your professional network early on is key, for example, by joining job fairs or our career cafes. The third point is, in Germany, it is really valued to get work experience. To just go outside academia, get any type of practical experience, may it be during an internship or working student contract. If you don't know where to look for these kinds of positions, maybe start by using your professional network. The fourth thing is, know the corporate landscape and the job opportunities in the region you're looking for a job. Germany is very diverse, ranging from areas with many startups to region with many family-run businesses. The fifth thing is all about cash. You should know how much money to expect when applying for a position. So talk to the people in your network, search the internet so you know how much money to ask for in the region, in the company, and for that kind of job position. Okay, everyone, thanks for watching. Ciao for now.